With nearly 80 stores and more than 2,600 employees, Újház as a nationwide network is a key player in the construction sector. It has been characterized by continuous development and a pursuit of innovative solutions for 26 years. We believe in continuous development, and we have made great efforts to maintain our market-leading position with new product ranges, forward-looking solutions, and an ever-expanding service portfolio. Thanks to the dedication of our stores, we have been experiencing continuous growth for years. Modern stores representing the future of the construction industry at a high level were opened in Újház, Soda, Good, and Győr, and we are also proud of our new modern store in Etyek. We expanded our logistics warehouse in Dabas by more than 4,000 square meters, further broadening our professional service portfolio. As a result of the development, we can now store a total of 20,000 pallets of products in our central warehouse. As a result of our rebranding, our network stores received a brand new appearance. They represent the Újház brand nationwide with a new logo and new slogan. Their clean, modern appearance excellently reflects our role as a market innovator. Throughout the year, we participated in numerous international exhibitions to learn about the latest trends and product innovations. Additionally, we continuously analyze our building materials assortment to provide the most comprehensive expert service to our customers. We have enriched our existing portfolio with popular products and updated our warm and cold covering assortment with the latest trends. Our stores conduct 2 million sales transactions annually and serve 180,000 customers. We consider it highly important to provide our customers with high-level expert service, so we continuously develop the knowledge and competencies of our colleagues. As part of our exemplary internal training system in the sector, we organized a record number of trainings this year, ensuring expert sales with up-to-date professional knowledge. Besides this, we also focus on educating the public to assist our customers in their choices and decisions. We take advantage of technological opportunities that move us forward. This year, our network support activities based on business intelligence enabled us to reveal market processes to our trading partners that can only be predicted based on data. As a result, we were able to provide product assortments and sales focuses that met local needs and market expectations. Our goal is to always be one step ahead in technical solutions. As the first in Hungary, we developed a digital contractor application, which is pioneering in the construction segment. This platform allows our construction professionals to continuously access online product data, purchases, and documentation related to previous orders. Thanks to our nationwide, always up-to-date database and our network experience spanning many years, we now possess a unique industry value chain knowledge in the market. We are dedicated to value creation. For 13 years now, Újház has been recognized by the Superbrands Hungary representation as the most successful enterprise that represents the values of reliability and quality for customers. We encourage the development of our colleagues and are committed to a high-quality work environment. Our headquarters proudly bear the family-friendly and gold responsible employer titles. The future starts in the present. We focus on better understanding and serving our customers and maintaining our opinion-leading position regardless of the economic environment. We aim to achieve all this with efficient and forward-looking solutions. At Újház, we continue to work towards hassle-free home building. If you are building, we will meet.